Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the products plugin modules. I say modules because products plugin is consisted of three separate modules. This is the products list, the orders list, and the subscriptions list. Because if you have products, then you have clients that order the product and then have subscription of this product. So currently we are into Redmine and products project. So there are few simple steps that you have to follow. So you have to go to settings here on the project and then scroll down to the modules and see and enable the following three. This is products, orders, and product subscriptions. After saving, you will see that they are going to come here onto the projects tabs. But just want to show you something. Before saving this, you see that there is products on the top and orders. If we try to open this, I'm going to open it in a new tab. So I'm going to not lose this. So we see that no data displayed, no data displayed here as well. Okay, so we close this, close the orders as well, return back here and save the changes. So we see that we have now enabled these three options here, and okay, so we see that here on the tabs we have orders, products, and subscriptions available. So if we click on products, we see we have products list that is already created in the past. So we can just open some product. Okay, so we have orders, list, we can open an order, and we have subscriptions list. So these are our subscriptions. So for example, license. Okay. Uh, yeah. So if we click on the products here on the top, also we have products and also orders. So here on the top means that these are the products from all projects and orders from all projects. And the ones that we were clicking before, it was the project level products and orders. Okay, so one more thing that I wanted to show you is that before start everything, you have to make sure to enable the contacts module as well. This is part of the CRM and contacts. It is the same thing, the contacts plugin. So contacts plugin is required for the products plugin to be able to work. This is a separate plugin and it is required. So if you go to our site, that is redmineup.com, and if you go to help and support and then go to products and the installation guide, you see that number one an important step is install CRM plugin. So you click here and it is also located here on plugins and then CRM. All right, so this is the contacts plugin. So you click download and enter your email address and you will receive the light free version. The light free version is enough for this purpose for the products plugin to be able to work correctly. So you can use it forever, for a lifetime. So you can get updates and yeah. But of course, if you wish, you could have the pro version. It have some more features. You could check if you're interested. But again, to say, the light free version is enough for the products plugin to be able to work. Okay. All right. So yeah, this was the video about showing you how to activate the products plugin that was consisted of three separate modules: products, orders, and product subscriptions. So, yeah, I hope this video was good for you. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUp. You could subscribe to our channel on YouTube, share the videos, comment to the videos. If you have some questions or problems, or just want to say hello to our team, you could just drop a message to support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.